Hey guys, what's up? It's your Mayor Method 24, and today guys, we're actually doing a computer build. A little different than what I normally do on this channel, but I need a new computer and we're gonna build one. So I'm gonna move all my stuff out of the way. I got my friends here, Brandon and Braden. They're just here to spectate, you know, and help me if I end up needing it. So first things first is our CPU. So we have the AMD Ryzen 5 1600X, and I actually got this for $199, and right now it's going for $199 on Amazon. Now that brings us to our CPU cooler. I got the Cooler Master Master MA410M, the Tough Gaming Edition. It is a RGB LED cooler, and I got it for $70-something, I believe. I don't have it written down. So I got it for about $77, and right now it's selling on Amazon for $60. Alright, next up is our motherboard. So I have the MSI B350 Tomahawk, which is for AM4 sockets. I got mine for $98.33, and on Amazon it's selling for $84.99. Okay, so next we're looking at RAM. I have right here one stick of DR4 G-Skill Trident ZRGB RAM, which is clocked at 3000 megahertz. I got mine, this was one off of an auction, I got it for $100. So next we're looking at storage. I have two means of storage. I have an SSD for basically videos and photos that I'm going to be editing right away, as well as the operating system, which is Windows 10. I have a free copy of that. So it's the 860 EVO, and I got mine for $139.99, and right now on Amazon it's selling for $128.19. Our next means of storage is a Seagate Barracuda 2TB, which is clocked at 7200 RPM. I got mine for $59.99, and right now on Amazon it's selling for $60. Okay, so for graphics card,
it's like $400 and you just drop it.
okay, so for the graphics card, I got the EVGA version of the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 Ti. So this graphics card right now, I got mine for like $470. Right now it's selling for, I believe, $500. It's not on Amazon though, so I wouldn't be able to tell you. Next, for our case, which is under all of the other parts, we have the Cooler Master Masterbox Pro 5 Pro RGB, something like that. It features a tempered glass window plus RGB fans, as well as good airflow. Next, for our power supply, we got the EVGA Nex 650G. This is a fully modular 650 watt 80 plus gold certification power supply. I used a website called PC Part Picker. PC Part Picker is great for finding parts, especially when you're new to making builds. You can use PC Part Picker to select all your parts, and it'll tell you the best deals you can get. It'll even tell you about all different rebates, and it'll give you a total on your build. Another good bonus about PC Part Picker is it will tell you if there's anything wrong with your build or any configuration issues, which will allow you to make sure you get what you need for your build. So let's go on with the build. Alright, so we're gonna get started with the build. I'm not gonna show you guys all the steps. This isn't like a build guide, but you guys are just gonna see a quick timeline.
Apollo 11, this is Houston. You are go for TLI, over. Apollo 11, thank you. Roger up.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All systems are a go.
Donald Trump!
Keep it 100. Keep it 100. Keep it 100.
Alright everyone, so we have completed the build. Hope you enjoyed the time lapse. We're going to see if it starts now. Alright guys, so we have started the installation process of Windows 10 Pro. It is installing now and the computer's almost ready. Okay everyone, so the computer here is working great. We installed Windows and I'm hoping for everything to work good. I'm going to get everything set up, I'm going to install Steam, and I'm going to play some games. So I just want to say one more time, remember to use PC Part Picker if you ever decide to build your own computer. And like I said, it's very good for beginners, and it's even good for people who have been building computers in a while. They just want to find the best deals. PC Part Picker is the way to go. So big shout out to PC Part Picker for making this build possible and as easy as it was. So if you have any questions or any concerns, just leave a comment down below, or you can send me an inquiry through my email. And as always guys, peace out.